Moe Friends. Huh? Oh, what are these guys looking at? Mo needs to know.
These sea bamboo tubes. They look really cool.
What are beads?
So beads are small things with holes that can be threaded together to make things.
What are beads made of?
They could be made of plastic or rock or like power shell or something.
All sorts of things.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What kind of things do you make out of beads?
You can make necklaces, bracelets, earrings.
What different colours are beads?
Beads come in all sorts of colours. They can be found in any colour you like.
Anyone choose orange beads? Orange is a good colour. Probably the best colour. Anyone? Why do all the beads have holes in them?
So you can put them on the string.
How do you choose which bead to use?
If it's a gift for someone, you could make it with their favourite things or something that they particularly like to wear.
Whoa, a fern. That's perfect. Oh, that green one looks like Fern's dress. These red puffy ones are like Fern's hair. And these orange hearts are like Mo's love for Fern. She must never know. Okay, time to thread some fairy wings. Whoa, it's tricky. What's next? Flower. Yep. Fern's dress, green. Yep. And fairy wings, red and fluffy. Fairy wings. Let's not talk about that. Fairy wings and fern. Whoa, all done. Tie the end and perfect. Well, Fern's gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.